Hello brave souls, Sonic Legacy 12 here, and welcome to the first edition of the Help Files. Basically, this series is pretty much made up to kind of help you guys along the way through any gaming tech or anything in specific, such as certain operations here and there, or better to help yourself on YouTube or Twitch if you're doing things of that sort. Now, only difference is here, I mean, not saying really anything, but it's just, I basically do this from personal experiences, so basically that the, basically I wouldn't really do anything that I don't have full official knowledge of, so that's pretty much what you're only going to see about here. So first things up, for file number 1. We are going to look over the awkward offline bug on the PS4 for PSN. Basically, the issue I ran into before was during the week before Dragon Ball FighterZ and Monster Hunter World released. Apparently, I guess this update that happened, I guess, I want to say months prior to, that people were starting to experience this issue. So basically, the only way to clear it up is actually very, very simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the quick method to get this done. Now, you can do this from, of course, multiple ways as far as browsers. So, of course, you can do it through PC, you can do it from mobile, or however you're able to do it from. It should be able to let you do it from exactly that, and of course I'll leave a link in the description of where I found said help to actually clear my issue up. So, and reasoning I had to do this issue, like, it lets you still do stuff, but except for a problem with Tekken 7, but I'll let you guys see that actual stream export if you're up for it. But anyways, so all you have to really do is go into PlayStation's actual website. So obviously PlayStation.com. And here, once you're on the actual home page, all you have to go to is sign in. And of course, just go ahead and enter in said email address that's tied to your PlayStation Network name, and then of course add in the password. So of course I will go ahead and add in mine. Okay, and once you're all ready to go, you should be logged in with the icon showing up of your friends, yada yada yada. Now, the next part is to ensure that this bug actually has fixed itself, is now make sure to go to your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 3 if that problem existed, but I don't think it did, but anywho. And what you'll just want to check for is to make sure that your icon for your avatar, picture, whatever, the little dot next to it should be blue. Of course, if it's still gray, make sure it's actually turned on. Sometimes you may have it off, sometimes you might have it on, regardless. But just to double check. And if that works, then you're all set. Your issue's been resolved. Now, of course, in the slightest chance that it does not work, make sure to actually go through that forum of where I found the help of this one from, so that way you can go around other methods to actually fix your offline bug. And that's pretty much going to end it. So hopefully this helped for you guys, and if so, I'm glad I was able to help. Again, links in the description below to see the forum of how I fixed my issue, and that solves file number 1. And if you like what you saw here today, go ahead and hit the like or the subscribe button, because again, helps greatly appreciated so we can get upgrades on both channels. Also, if you have any certain help requests that you might need, I can see what I know, and I'll be able to help you out, and I'll actually throw it in part of the help files in later editions. So again, hopefully this all helped, and I will see you guys next time. Sonic Legacy 12 signing out. Later.